DJ, what are we doing?
We're gonna repair this kite. It's got a little small hole here, so it's really important that you fix it before it gets bigger because it can rip all the way. So start off by just cleaning with alcohol, just normal alcohol. Get rid of the fat. Like this. While it evaporates, we're going to use tear aid. It's the best on the market. So just we're going to need about this much to go around. So I just cut up a piece like this. Cut it round. Oh, I'm wasting a little bit here, but that's okay. Round it off a little bit. That's fine. And then we use the bottle behind. So Piero, you can just push it down like this, please. Make sure it's, yeah, just make sure it's stretched out nicely. Let's get a little piece out like this. Fold it over, and then just put it over, attach that little thing, and then just pull it. Zip. And then you just push it up a little bit like this, make it stick nicely. And that will never come off, and it will last longer than the kite.